What's good?
I'm riding right around.
Back with another video. Today I'm about to do my rims. So, cause I'm about to change like change the color, all this. So I'm about to repaint them, but I'm gonna get some filler for like the curb rashes and all that. So I'm gonna do that. I might do that. I don't know how it's gonna look if I don't do it. I'm about to go to Ace Hardware and grab the spray paint, clear coat, and I need some sandpaper. But when I grab that, I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna show you everything I got when I get to the crib and how much does it cost. But I'm about to, feel me, DIY. Finna fix my rims up. Now I got some curb rash. About to go ahead and fix them joints up. Bro, what is this lady doing? Like, she literally was, that's the same lady that was, boom. All right, so we back. I told y'all, I'm gonna show y'all when I get everything. So, I got the paint I'm gonna use. Just gloss black. Primer, and filler. Cause I'm gonna need this, cause I'm about to have to fix the cracks I got in my rim, little scratches. And I got some sand bricks. It's 220 grit and 100. So, boom, we finna get to it. I'm about to take off the rims and get to it.
I feel a little bit more comfortable if you put some on the same.
Wait.
Right here, bro. Look. I don't know.
But the red?
No, you see the spot I just told you spray? That spot just don't look that good to me. Like, yeah, like. I just don't know.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
Alright, so now I'm done with that. Rinse it off, and then I'm done. I already checked this one out. Like 5 minutes for but I think it's like 2 minutes. Let this dry. 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna have your coat. So I'm gonna do 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna get go back. But this might be fine. I'm not gonna Alright, so this is the finished product. I let it dry overnight. 3 or 2 coats of clear coat. I think it was 3 though. But it came out pretty good. So I'm about to go ahead and put them back on the car. Now I'm about to like wipe them off first and stuff. After that, put them on the cart.
What would you ask? I said, tell me what's wrong.
Draco, take a step back.
Lil' baby heaven sent on for her for the hell of it. On the ground she celibate, but in the sheets I'm nailing it. These niggas strangers do whatever to stay relevant. Can't believe you sat there try to play with my intelligence. Cause I know, you know, we know that I'm the one. I just begun, I'ma pop it till I'm done. I ain't stopping till I want. I'm just rapping, having fun. Putting songs on my lungs. This and it is more to come. I stay low and stack my funds. Give a fuck if there was once. I might just buy me a semi, hold that bitch come with a drum. Steady chasing out the paper, I could never be a bum. Bitch, I'm feeling like raw wave, I might just overdose on love. Cause I know, you know, we know that I'm the one. Yeah, I'm the one. I ain't starting till I'm done.
Alright, so this is the finished product. The red SS is gonna be baby blue, so I just didn't get a chance to do it.
Love the cheese, so if it's some money, I'm gon' chase it. If some money, I'm gon' chase it.
Soldier, you wildin'.
In love with cheese, so if it's some money, I'm gon' chase it. Ice her out, I won't never treat lil' baby basic. If it's smoke, tell them fuck niggas that we could